In this exercise, we have given A it's equal to 396 and B it's equal to 324, 396 and 324. The first question is write each A and B as product of its prime factors. يعني بدنا نعمل prime factorization of A and B. Using the vertical method, we can make the prime factorization of A and that of B. Okay? And we put the answer that A it's equal to 396 is equal to 2 squared. 2 squared times 3 squared times 11, and B it's equal to 324, it's equal to 2 squared times 3 power 4, and we put the answer in this form. Second question, find the GCD of A and B, yani of 396 and 324, and LCM of A and B also, but given that D it's equal to the GCD of A and B, and M it's equal to LCM of A and B. If you look here for A and B, the GCD we take the smallest common. For example, we have the common 2 and the 3 common. Here we have 2 squared and 2 squared, we take one of them and they are equal. While here 3 squared and 3 power 4, we take the smallest one, which is the 3 squared. We didn't take the 11 since it is not common. Then 2 squared it's 4 times 3 squared 9. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. This 36 is the GCD of AB of 396 and 324, and it is equal to D. هذه given. And the M هي LCM of A and B. We take the greatest common and the uncommon. يعني 2 squared, we take one of them, they are equal. But while 3 power 4, 3 power 2, we take in the LCM the 3 power 4, the greatest. Oppositely, from the GCD, we take the smallest. And the uncommon, 11, which is not common, we take it in the LCM and we multiply them to get this answer. In the third question, they ask us to find the GCD of A squared times B squared and the LCM of A squared B squared. In this case, and also they ask us to compare the GCD with D squared and the LCM with M squared. نحن جبنا الام والدي بنجيب الدي سكويرد والام سكويرد and we compare them with the LCM A squared B squared and the GCD of A squared B squared. In order to find the GCD of A squared B squared, first of all we get A squared and we get B squared and the answers اوكي بناخذ لهم GCD وال LCM مثل ما اشتغلنا لل A وال B عادي. يعني ال A شو هي؟ جوابها 2 squared times 3 squared times 11. هي بذاتها ال A squared راح نحطهم كلهم لهودي ال A squared. أن نعرف نحن power of a power يعني 2 squared 2 power 4 3 squared 3 power 4 11 squared it's 11 squared and here the B squared ال B هي 2 squared times 3 power 4 بنحط ال B squared صار 2 squared times 3 power 4 all of it squared B squared نضرب 2 squared squared يعني 2 power 4 3 power 4 squared 3 power 8 نضرب 4 2 ب 2. Then we take the GCD بين this answer and this answer 2 power 4 أخذناها it's the same between 3 power 4 and 3 power 8 we take the 3 power 4 okay 11 هي not common بنحطها بال LCM وبناخذ the greatest مثل ما اشتغلنا فوق اوكي رجع قال لي الدي سكويرد قديش بقول له انا الدي سكويرد الدي هي كانت 36 الدي سكويرد راح تكون 36 سكويرد. طب الام كانت 3 مثلا كانت 2 سكوير تايمز 3 باور 4 تايمز 11 رايت فالام سكوير هي سكوير طبعا. الدي من ساعه كانت 2 سكوير تايمز 3 سكوير حطينا سكوير عليها لان احنا بدنا هون دي سكوير. اوكي الاجوبه طلعوا معنا بيطلعوا هن ذاتهم الجي سي دي والال سي ام للاي سكوير بي سكوير والال سي ام للاي سكوير بي سكوير. اوكي اذا قارنا الاجوبه فاذا دي سكوير والام سكوير هن the same answer for the GCD و LCM of A squared and B squared. Okay if we compare the answers. طبعا هو رح ارجع اذا في شيء مش واضح بالفيديو رح صور لكم اياهم hard copies. Okay then بيسألني انه show that B is a perfect square to be determined. اذا اخذنا البي نحن كان طلع معنا هون 2 square times 3 power 4. نحن قلنا نعرف انه perfect square we look to the powers مش نحن عنا even powers. كثير انتبهوا له اذا عندي بس even powers بالprime factors اوكي ساعتها بيكون هيدا هو perfect square. مثلا كيف بنعرفها we have 2 squared and 3 power 4 square. 2 and 4 here they are even, then b here is a perfect square of something. Let us know this something. We take bracket and we put square outside، وشو بيضل جوا؟ يعني 2 سكوير اذا حطينا سكوير برا راح تضل 2 جوا، 3 باور اذا حطينا سكوير برا راح تضل 3 سكوير جوا. يعني نتأكد من جوابنا 2 سكوير times 3 باور 2 times 2 4. اوكي نضربهم، يعني 9 ب 2 جوات البراكت 18 سكوير، فاذا البي اتس 18 سكوير. اوكي يلي هي البي كمان 324. نستنتج انه 324 is a perfect square of 80. 324 or B is a perfect square of 80.